finishing touches laid on a foundation of a promise, as the community beam is placed inside the Norton West Louisville Hospital. Structurally insignificant to the building's operation, but symbolically indispensable to the building's significance.
This is a community's hospital. This is something that we envisioned as being part of a neighborhood and really extending that welcoming to making it your facility.
The steel is scattered with signatures, more than 2,000 of them, people who live and work here. People like Vernice Mitchell. Born and raised in West Louisville, her family was the last to sign the beam, even her grandkids getting in on the action. The nurse of 18 years is coming back home, if you will, to work in this hospital and care for the community that raised her.
Working in my community, that was something that I never thought that I would be able to do because we didn't have a hospital. And so when the opportunity came about, I was like, you know what, I have to be a part of that. And it's something that our community needs, to be able to have access to quality health care in the neighborhood. That means more than any words can explain, really.
And that's what this hospital sets out to accomplish. It's the first to be built west of 9th Street in more than 150 years. When it opens, it'll include a 24/7 emergency department, inpatient and outpatient treatment, operating rooms, imaging services, even a retail pharmacy. But this hospital, this environment, is more than a place to go when you're ill. A community room, an outdoor green space, and a food pantry are built-in resources for patients. Even more, work from local artists will adorn these walls, making this place look and feel welcoming.
This really represents the community. This represents everything that we've done. We say blood, sweat, and tears jokingly, but this represents everybody's hands that have touched this building. And so this part is probably the most monumental part of this project because it is a representation of the community who built it.
So as the community's beam is laid in its place, it represents a milestone of how far we've come and the people who made it possible.
I'm going to be so excited to be able to provide this care to the people that look like me and that I'm familiar with. And so I'm so grateful for the opportunity.